So we're working on this. Let me go back to the problem first would be a good idea. Let's see, I have the problem here. So we're working on this rate of change, right? And we're given a data table from 2004 to 2012. And what we're trying to find, I put these points on in Desmos, is this is a continuous function. We don't know what this function is. It doesn't appear to be a perfectly straight line, and we don't know what the function is defined as. We just know the point. So we just know the point, the value of the year, what year it is, and what population it is. And they're asking us to find, the tangent to each of these points, to each of the years. And obviously, remember that the tangent is like the slope, right? And so we can't plug the function in to find it. So the best we're gonna be able to do is to estimate here, right? And if I wanted to find the slope here, the best estimate I could make is this secant line, right? Just connecting these two. So 2004, the best I got is the secant line. So that's what I found. I took 2006 population minus 2004's population, and then, so those are the y values divided by the x values, right? Change in y divided by change in x, and I get a value, all right? And then I can do the same thing for 2006, but now I don't want to just take these 2 points. I have to take into consideration the slope here, the slope of the secant line here, and the slope of the secant line here. So I also find the slope of this secant line, right? 2008 population minus 2006 population divided by the change in the x values, and I get it. But to find this best estimate I can of the slope of this point, I should average those two. So I take this change in population and this change in population, and I divide it by 2 because it's an average and I'm just using 2 points, right? And so I get the best estimate I can of this point by averaging the secant slope here and the secant slope here, and I get the best estimate I'm going to get with the data that I have. And I just continue to do that. So I found the difference between the population in 2008, I found that slope. I found between 2010 and 2012 that slope. And then again, 2008, this slope's best estimate is the average of this secant slope and this secant slope. And again, I can't do anything. I can't average the ends, right? I don't have any end to average. So that, and just so you know, I noticed that in the table of values, it was only asking for these values. So there was a mistake in the question, how the question was asked. So I fixed that in the lesson, and then let me know if this helps you with the problem.